Sister Nada. Good morning to you.
Good morning po.
I have received a recent scandal about you that you were caught stealing. Is that true, sir?
No, sir. Just issues not true.
Unfortunately, yesterday someone reported you that you were stealing someone's wallet, and that is against school rules. So I will be glad to let you go.
No,
I'm
but
sorry.
it is still.
No, I'm sorry. This is about school policies, and you are not listening to that. And so I have no choice but to do that.
No, it's not true.
No, I'm sorry. You can submit your requests and letters in our offices, but I will need to let you go.
No.
You can now go. Go.